Hello, welcome and thanks for dropping by. My recipe today is cucumber stir-fried with eggs. For this, I have a Japanese cucumber weighing 300 grams. I've just chopped and peeled the cucumber. I am now cutting the cucumber into half lengthwise and then slicing each half into pieces diagonally. The next main ingredient is the egg, of course. I have 3 eggs for this recipe and I'm going to beat them nice and frothy. That's the second egg going in. And then the third. Adding a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper powder. Now let's beat these eggs up nice and frothy. We have 3 cloves of garlic as our next ingredient. Crush them and cut them up into little bits. Next come 2 red bird's eye chilies that I'm chopping up. That's done, let's keep them aside. I'm making the stir-fry sauce next with 1 teaspoon of cornflour, half a teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, all mixed with 1.5 tablespoons of water. Let's make this easy stir-fry recipe that serves as a tasty side dish. I have a frying pan on medium heat with a tablespoon of oil heating in it. I'm now frying the garlic. I'm frying the garlic until its aroma wafts through my kitchen. The red bird's eye chilies go in and you saute them for about half a minute. You then add the cucumber pieces. Start stir-frying the cucumber pieces, but not for too long. Just a couple of minutes will do because you want to retain the crispness of the cucumber. After a minute, add a little bit of water to moisten the cucumber and ease the cooking process. Reduce the flame after a minute. Then pour half of the egg mixture over the stir-fried cucumber. Then stir the egg mixture together with the cucumber. The idea here is to coat the cucumber pieces with as much egg mixture as possible. Just make sure that your flame is low enough so as to not burn the egg. Then pour the remaining egg mixture and stir to incorporate. As you can see, this is very eggy, but that's how this dish is supposed to be. This will make you experience a difference in texture. Firstly, the softness of the egg and then the crispness of the cucumber. You then add the stir-fry sauce. And then you can taste to see if the salt is sufficient. I need to add a bit more salt. I've now turned off the stove and the stir fry is ready to be dished up. Cucumber stir-fried with eggs. An easy stir-fry that serves as a tasty dish for lunch or dinner. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.